Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 6, Lesson 46. What happens when a sentence has two subjects sharing one verb? Today, agreement with compound subjects, and it all depends on the connector. Let's handle compound subjects, two or more subjects sharing a verb. When they're joined by and, the subject is usually plural. The dog and the cat are playing. That's two creatures, so are. But here's the exception. When the two parts actually name a single thing, the subject is singular. Bacon and eggs is my favorite breakfast. Bacon and eggs is one dish, one breakfast, so is. So and usually means plural, unless the parts combine into one thing. Now, when subjects are joined by or, nor, either or neither nor, the rule changes. The verb agrees with the closer subject, the one nearer to the verb. Neither the garden nor the lilacs are in bloom. The subject closer to the verb is lilacs, which is plural, so the verb is are. Flip the order, and garden would be closer and singular, making it is. With or and nor, always look to the nearest subject. One more pattern. When a compound subject is preceded by every, each, or many a, it becomes singular, no matter how many items follow. Every door and window has been locked. Even though door and window sounds like two things, the word every makes the whole subject singular, so has, not have. The same goes for each and many a. When you see those words leading the subject, switch to a singular verb. Let's pull the rules together. If the parts are joined by and, the subject is plural unless they name a single thing. If they're joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the closer subject. And if the subject starts with every, each, or many a, it's singular. So the connector is your clue. Check it first, and it tells you whether the verb should be singular or plural. Master those three, and compound subjects are no trouble. Let's practice. Check the connector first, and or, every or each, then choose the verb. Pause and try each. Each student and teacher blank a name badge. Each makes the compound singular, so has. Hot dogs and beans blank a popular meal in Boston. Hot dogs and beans names one dish, so it's singular, is. So is. Neither Grace nor John blank to go. With neither nor, agree with the closer subject, John, singular, so wants. So wants. A few more. Watch the connector, and for or and nor, look to the closer subject. Pause and try each. Either Meg or the twins blank to meet you at the library. The closer subject is twins, plural, so plan. So plan. Both taxis and buses blank on this corner. Both and joins them into a plural subject, so stop. So stop. Every car and truck blank a toll on the highway. Every makes the compound singular, so pays. So pays. Let's wrap up. With compound subjects, the connector tells you what to do. Joined by and, the subject is plural unless the parts name a single thing, like bacon and eggs. Joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the closer subject. And led by every, each, or many a, the subject is singular. Check the connector first, and the verb follows. Great work! In Lesson 47, we'll spot expressions that only look like compound subjects.